Time is money. But the highlight of the day is going to be Canada. Canada, oh Canada, oh Canada. Now I already had sell limits. Now this is what I've been teaching in the mentorship for a while now. I've been preaching this for I don't know how many hours. Whereby if you want to execute on news, there's a high probability price will gravitate towards the regions of liquidity. Just the way we enter this sell on gold because of it broke the previous. This was Asian high at around no, this was Asian high. The high that during pre-London, so to say, at 8 a.m. today in the morning, we had this high created. Now, the moment this candlestick was breaking to the upper side, I entered the sell position. But the higher risk, I'll send screenshots of the account. I'll send screenshots of the account. I've not yet reached a point whereby I can be confident executing a position in front of you people on my live account because I'm still starting out. But these are the two positions that are currently in. Now remember, this is just for educational purposes. Yeah? Hello, hello, Diritu. Anexla, this is just for educational purposes, but as mentioned, we are currently in two positions currently at the moment. I'm good, Baba. I'm good. I'm doing really good. I do believe I'm sharing my screen. So I want to welcome you to today's session. I am in two positions currently at the moment. The first one is going to be gold. Now, as explained, when this candlestick started breaking these highs, I entered a sell position to the lower side, okay? Anticipating prices will continue moving. Now, these trades are running on my MetaTrader. I don't want to pull up my MetaTrader because I have gold is being executed on a different account. USD Canada is it's going to be executed on a different account. So let me just pull up these. I'll share screenshots after the trade whereby I did had my sell limits. So gold I entered manually. This was a market order at 29.16. Reason being, this is what I've been teaching in the mentorship for a while now, whereby if prices break to the upper side, especially this was the high created during Asia. So this was pre-London technically, so to say. So this was around 8 a.m. today, whereby we had this high created. Now, the moment this candlestick was breaking to the upper side, I did enter a sell position. Now, with gold, I'm going to be skeptical about this. I have a relatively low risk on this trade running currently at the moment, but my highlight of the day is going to be USD Canada, whereby the same thing, the same ideology with gold, whereby this candlestick was breaking to the upper side. So I had limits initially around 1.42098, whereby it's been triggered currently at the moment. I have like half a lot size currently moving on with USD Canada dollar currently at break even. I'm not making money or losing money. I'm just paying spread currently at the moment. So we want to see how it's going to be. Now we are anticipating the numbers for today, we are anticipating for it to be slightly stronger, but let's see what will happen in the next 3 minutes 21 seconds. Yeah, as mentioned, I will have pulled up my MetaTrader, of which I will afterwards, but this is the execution because it's much easier maneuvering through TradingView and instead of going through different MetaTrader platforms to show you the same execution. Plus this one I do believe. So the highlight of the day is going to be USD Canada dollar. Yeah. Now the reason for execution, I like this strategy so much, especially during news releases. Whenever you have a high or a low, I usually like to have I pick one, either a sell limit or a buy limit. So if I was looking for buy opportunities, I will tend to have, okay, this is another opportunity that I'm just saying currently at the moment, whereby we do have equal lows in this market. So look at these equal lows. So if the market does come to this region here, I might want to execute another buy position, a long position just around this region here. Take profit just above this candlestick. Stop loss, let's say 20 pips below the entry region. So somewhere around that region here, of which it's a 1.5, of which it's a good risk to reward ratio to be executing. It's a very high probability trade whenever I do execute on assets like this. So we have less than 124 seconds remaining for the news to be released. Currently, I'm running in profit at the moment. But let's see how it's going to be. Now, gold is not looking healthy. The Habu was not happening. How are you guys? You guys are good? Let's look at the chart. I'm already out on gold, yeah? Yeah, this is a good idea. This is why I entered with a low risk, eh? This setup I did enter with a very low risk on gold, because the highlight of the day is going to be, oh Canada, oh Canada. Let's wait and see. 120 seconds remaining for CPI. So I did enter a position today on gold, eh? And then I slept. When I woke up, I was stopped out. So just gave by. I'm not feeling bad. I'm actually feeling good. But anyway, 57 seconds. So this is fundamentals usually are the biggest drivers of news releases. Okay, fundamentals are usually the biggest drivers for news. So whatever happens fundamentally, you need to pay attention, especially when it's major impact news releases like CPI. Yeah? You want to pay close attention to such kinds of news releases as a trader, because this is what is going to guide you. This is what is going to enable you to make informed decisions. So with USD card, I want to see, I'm anticipating for prices to be bearish currently for USD card, because of a lot of factors of which I'm going to discuss. Let's wait and see. We have less than 15 seconds. So this is where you go silent if you are a prayerful person. Kama unaamini Mungu, kama una hizo vitu zote hapa, hivi ndo wakati wa kuita hizo vitu zote. Okay, unakalia finyo. 3 2 1 boom.
Unakaza.
Exactly. So that as anticipated. So we close the position. Hello. It is not bad. I'll take that any day, any time of the day. So the numbers came out positive, eh? The first two came out positive. We are waiting for these two, but there's a high probability. So one thing to know, this is a very good strategy. What I've just shown you is a strategy that works so nicely. Whenever you want to execute new user releases, it's advisable you use buy limits and sell limits. I'm going to pull up the screenshots. So if you receive this link,